If you work in AutoCAD and need your drawing units set to meters, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it. Getting your units right is important because it affects how your drawing is measured, inserted, and scaled across other files. Whether you are starting a new project or fixing an existing one, this process is simple once you know where to look. And if this video helps you out, please take a second to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy AutoCAD tutorials. Alright, let's jump into it. First, open AutoCAD and load the drawing you want to work on. You can use an existing file or start from a new template, but make sure the correct drawing is open before changing any settings. Once your drawing is open, go to the command line and type Units, then press Enter on your keyboard. This will open the Drawing Units window where you can control the unit format for your file. In this window, look for the length type option and set it to decimal. Decimal units are the most common choice when working with meters because they give you clean, accurate measurements without fractional formatting. Next, find the insertion scale setting and change it to meters. This step is very important because it tells AutoCAD what unit should be used when blocks, XREFs, or other content are inserted into the drawing. If this is set incorrectly, your objects may come in too large or too small, so double check that meters is selected before moving on. After that, you can adjust the precision setting if needed. For example, if you want your measurements to show 2 decimal places, choose 0.00. This helps you control how detailed the displayed values appear on screen and in your drawing output. If your project needs more accuracy, you can choose a different precision level depending on the type of work you are doing. Once everything looks correct, click OK to apply the changes. AutoCAD will now use meters as the insertion scale for the drawing, and your unit settings will be updated immediately. At this point, you can continue drafting with the confidence that your file is set up correctly for metric work. If you ever need to verify the setup again, just repeat the units command and check the settings in the same window. This is one of those small AutoCAD tasks that can save you from major scaling problems later, especially when sharing files with other designers, engineers, or clients. So remember, open the drawing, type units, set length type to decimal, set insertion scale to meters, adjust precision if necessary, and click OK. That's all there is to it. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want more AutoCAD tips and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.